Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Go2 Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in go2bank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Go2 Bank. In order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Once you are taken inside the login portal, you will be allowed to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account, and then within the password box type in your account password. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Go2 Bank right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the trouble logging in option and then you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Go2 Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.